Hi, I'm David Brailsford and I work in the product development team here at Altro, and I'd like to give you a brief overview of our adhesive-free products so that you can fully understand the benefits that they offer. Firstly though, just a little bit of background. About 10 years ago now we introduced the Altro Expresslay product. This was the world's first adhesive-free safety flooring, and then more recently in the beginning of 2020 we introduced two additional ranges that offer more design choice, and these new products also give added benefits such as impact, sound reduction and comfort underfoot, making these new products even more versatile. For those of you who are not familiar with the adhesive-free concept, the material is designed to be fully installed without the need for wet adhesives, and this material is now used in tough commercial applications throughout the world, and one of the first installation sites back in 2009 was one of London's key hospitals, and this material is still in place and performing well today, demonstrating the product's durability. Since then we've gone on to supply more than 1 million square meters of the adhesive-free product to hospitals, schools and care homes throughout the world, and many of the contractors that we partner with have taken the decision to make adhesive-free material their product of choice, installing this material rather than a traditional stuck-down floor. Hopefully you'll agree that this shows how effective the Altro adhesive-free products can be in permanent installations. One of the other benefits to our adhesive-free products though is their flexibility. Not just their physical flexibility, but also their flexibility in meeting the needs of a wide variety of installation areas. Not only can they be installed as a permanent flooring solution that will give years of trouble-free service, just like the hospital I mentioned earlier, they can also be easily uplifted and replaced at the end of their life with no damage to the subfloor. So there's no need to repair or replace anything to do with the flooring that's already there, and this makes the replacement quick and easy. What's even better is that this uplifted floor can be reused elsewhere or fully recycled. That's great for the installer and the customer, as well as being great for the environment. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this useful and interesting. And if you'd like any more information about our ranges of adhesive-free products, or in fact any of our other products, please don't hesitate to contact us at inquiries@altro.com or call the number on screen now. Thanks for watching.